Okay, so here's a really basic example of layers. All right, we're going to create a notebook and we're going to go blank and we're going to call it notebook 10. It's fine. I'm going to press create. Now, already the way reMarkable works is there's 2 layers, okay? And let me show you, the layer button is over here on the left. And the template at the moment, which is the notebook, the blank notebook is the template. We are writing on layer 1. That's what happens every time you write on anything. So let's just say I draw a house. Oh, and it's in grey. That's okay. Now, it has a front door. Okay. But I want to, like you could use layers with tutoring. You could, you know, when you don't want a child to see the answers, you can put them on a layer that they can't see. But for drawing, it's really great too. So if I add a layer and I want to draw on this layer, hello, yep, just press that button. I want to draw in black now, and I want to go around the house. Just say I want to go around the house in black and just see if I like it, because I might not like it. And I really don't like it, but hey, that's one of the benefits. And then I want to add another layer and I'm going to draw a chimney. And then I'm going to add another layer and I'm going to draw some windows with few little curtains in it. And at some point I want some grey curtains. I'm just going to use that. And then I decide, you know what, I don't love those grey curtains and I don't love the grey windows. Yeah, no, that's good. No, I actually like that. That's going to be good. Or do I like the grey? Let me think. Do I not? That's how you do layers. So it's a very simple example. And I think we might have some, what do you reckon? We have some grey smoke. Yeah. And that's the story of layers. So there's actually 4 layers there. But just know, so if we delete that layer, all of that goes. If we delete this layer, there goes the chimney. If we delete the black house, there goes the black house, and all we're left with, what was on layer 1 was the grey house with no windows and no chimney. So you can imagine if you had, let's just clear that. If you had a test, and now it's annoying me that I've got grey, and you've got the answer here. Sorry, it's like and you've got the answer. Answer. Oh, yeah, let's delete the page. If you've got, on layer 1, you have all the questions, right? All the questions. Then on layer 2, you put all the answers. Oh, you know what you can do here? You can just go like that, copy it, tap to paste, tap to paste. Love that. So then what you can do when your student comes along is that you can give them, let's just get rid of that, it's easier. You can give them all the questions and they don't know, once they've finished though, they don't know that there are all the answers. So that's another example of how you can use layers. And I'm going to clear the clipboard and I'm going to hop out of there and I'm going to press and hold and I'm going to move that to trash. Awesome.